Beginning around the 31st of May 2023, Vechain unquestionably is trading at 1 penny in term of its USD rate, with the worth difference in 0.26% in latest an hour, contrary to standard reasoning that kind of has a truly hard and fast market cap of $1,407,205,493 with the 24-hour trading volume of $26,754,388 outstandingly. Despite pervasive reasoning, this truly makes Vechain situating at 38 in the cryptographic currency market in an unpretentious way if you fundamentally are a crypto monetary supporter and taking into account what overall is the Vechain cost conjecture finish of 2023. What will Vechain truly be worth in 2023? Is it a good investment? Is it worth buying? This is a very important question. Will VET cost generally outperform its unmatched high and very important way? These are the real expectations for VET's future, which is very important. According to the Vechain price prediction and expert analysis, the VET price should cross a very normal value level of 2 cents in 2023. The normal kind of least value worth of Vechain toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to generally be 2 cents in an essentially enormous manner. Besides, VET can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 2 cents in a genuinely large manner. That value gauge May 2023. The Vechain estimate for May 2023 thinks that the VET might arrive at a really greatest worth of 2 cents with a for the most part least cost of around 1 cent in every practical sense. Huge way discussing the typical value VET can in every way that really counts stretch around 2 cents for May, which most certainly is very critical. Vechain price prediction for June 2023. Despite what most people think, the price of Vechain should be at least 2 cents in June 2023. So they thought, Vechain prices can get as low as 2 cents, which is the same as the average price of 2 cents in USD. Vechain price estimate for July 2023. In July 2023, the price of Vechain should be around and in every way that counts at least 2 cents in a quiet way. Vechain costs can sort of arrive at a very limit of 2 cents with the truly normal cost of 2 cents in USD genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thought that value gauge August 2023 and August 2023. The cost of Vechain in every practical sense is estimated to really be at around a very least worth of 2 cents. Which explicitly is genuinely important. The Vechain value worth can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of 2 cents with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 2 cents in USD. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thought that value conjecture September 2023, the Vechain estimate for September 2023 says that the VET may reach a maximum value of 2 cents, with a base price of around 2 cents, so Vechain value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the price of Vechain in a real census is expected to be at least 2 cents, which is a lot compared to the normal price. Value VET can unobtrusively stretch around 2 cents for the month of September. Vechain price estimate for October 2023. The price of Vechain is expected to be around 2 cents in October 2023, though it could go up or down by as much as 2 cents. Vechain value guesstimate November 2023. The Vechain rate for November 2023 may end up being worth at least 2 cents, while the highest price that really matters is around 2 cents, or so they thought. The average price for VET is expected to reach 2 cents in November 2023, which shows that Vechain is a good investment or worth buying in 2023. Vechain value expectation December 2023. The price of Vechain could be anywhere between 2 cents and 2 cents, which is a huge range since the average exchange rate should be around 2 cents. Amazingly, Vechain especially passed value examination in the sort of over the past 24 hours, the cryptocurrency's real-world value has dropped by 0.21%. If we compare the cryptocurrency's real-world market cap today to what it was yesterday, we can see that the market cap is also down, which is usually very important. Vechain is having a hard time catching up with other crypto coins, or so they thought. The VET has dropped to nearly 0.41 in the last week, which is a big drop. The coin by and larges are still showing risky behavior with outlining fragments for the past few days. The coin could have areas of strength for generally, but we don't think it would be a good investment. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 15.86% and the cost circled from a base in every practical cent normal cost of 2 cents to fundamentally greatest truly normal cost of 2 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, which generally is very important in kind of most recent 4 months. Vechain has shown a growing trend, or so they thought. Because of this, we think that similar parts of the market were very popular at the time. Also, in the last 4 months, Vechain has shown a growing trend in a big way. According to the most recent data, Vechain's trading volume has grown from 4 months, which really shows that this trend is growing. The volume of trading is an important job, and the cost of doing it is very high. Bitcoin is up by $14.69. The highest average price of a coin was around 1 cent, and the lowest average price was also around 1 cent. Over the past 4 months, Bitcoin has grown in a quiet way. Vechain Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be Vechain especially worth in 2023? The VET cost certainly is estimated to basically arrive at a most extreme degree of 2 cents within every way that really matters, least cost of 2 cents toward the finish of 2023 or so. They by and large thought this Vechain for the most part have a future, which basically is very critical as far as value. Vechain generally has an extraordinary genuinely potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which essentially is genuinely critical. It sort of is conjecture that VET will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Vechain can really stir things up around town. Much the greatest cost of 92 cents till 2030 in a by and large huge manner, as Vechain genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large significant manner. Vechain's and smell of all things considered is expected to keep growing, as lack will cause prices to rise. This shows how Vechain might have a future, which is very important to note. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been putting off and turning down talks for many months. In the next 2 years, the deal limits how much money the U.S. government can spend. The prices of national security will not be taxed, which is a very important point. This deal was made a month after U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned on June 1 that the talks could fail. After the debt cap was announced, more money started to flow into Bitcoin, which drove the BTC/USD price up by more than 3% in just 1 day. This rise proves what veteran Wall Street trader Macrojack said about the value of real assets like Bitcoin, especially since he thinks the dollar will be print